Creating your own address labels is a great idea for almost any professional or crafter. Business owners and creatives can use them to level up their branding for clients and customers. They could also be a lifesaver for event planners, bringing style and consistency to invitations. If you run a home office, these labels can really help you structure and organize your workflow. I'm Johnny, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to order and design your own address labels with OnlineLabels. On our website, you'll find tons of pre-designed templates to choose from. These templates are there to help you get started on your design. You can choose from a variety of corporate and event-based designs. Almost all of our templates can be edited even further by opening them in our design program, Maestro Label Designer. If you're looking to create your design from scratch, you can start by opening up the blank template for your label size. You'll be able to add images, text, change colors and fonts, and much more. Changing up your color palette, font choices, and graphics based on what your labels are for is a great way to make them unique. It shows whoever you're sending it to that you put a little extra thought into your presentation, which goes a long way. Maestro Label Designer also gives you the ability to design multiple labels on one sheet, allowing you to get the most out of your label sheets when you need to mail to different addresses. If you need to add unique information to different labels on one sheet, you can do that with our Mail Merge tool. With Mail Merge, also called Data Merge, you can input all the data at once instead of wasting time reprinting labels. Let's show you how. If you don't already have a data list, including all of your info, your first step will be in Microsoft Excel or another capable program. Create a new blank spreadsheet and title the first columns with the fields you want to include on your label, filling the top row with categories like first or last name, address, state, zip code, and other details. Then, just type in all of the information you want to include underneath and save your work. You can upload this file into Maestro Label Designer to input into your designs. Let's take a look. Navigate to the blue bar at the top of the page, hover over Tools, and hit Start Mail Merge. Here, you can add your data list, which you saved earlier. Now, you can use the menu options to choose Simple Text Field and use the green arrows to choose which items you'd like to import. Once you click Add to Design, you can arrange and adjust your graphic as needed. When you want to take a look at your design, hit Preview in the top gray bar to see your info included instead of the placeholders. Once everything's in place, you're ready to print. But you may be wondering if you should print your own address labels or let us print them for you. There are pros and cons to each method, so let's dive in together. If you only need to print a handful of address labels every now and then, printing at home is probably the right solution for you. At smaller volumes, you'll save money and have more control over printing right when you need them. Essentially, all you need to print your address labels are a printer, a computer, and a program to create your designs. If you haven't printed labels at home before, be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. It's really up to you to decide which method is right for your business or project. Generally, if you need the flexibility to change up your designs and print right when you need them, blank labels are probably the right solution for you. But if you're in need of a bulk order of the same design, like for return address labels, then you might want to consider custom printed labels to save you time. Personalized address labels can add a great touch to any of your business correspondence, personal letters, and more. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to give it a like if you did, and subscribe to the channel for more labeling tips.